Looks like I piqued your interest. How and where can you start learning about homeopathy? So I'll do what I can to share my love here on TikTok, and I'll invite you to go over to this page to get some more videos from me over there, but there is a plethora of resources out there. I definitely want to share the love with all of the homeopaths who helped me get my feet wet in homeopathy, so here are some really great resources. The first place I would go is to Mary Aspinwall. That's this homeopath. She's based out of California. She has an amazing Facebook group, Mary's Homeopathy Study Group on Facebook, where if you have any acute situation, as long as you have the symptoms, you can go in there, search for it, and there will probably be someone who has an answer to it already. There's like 40,000 members in that group, so very well attended. This newbie course, you can see it's called #newbie course, is incredible. I'm looking at it again after a while, and it's got all these videos and text. It's got quizzes, and it just covers all the principles of homeopathy very simply. And it also gives you tons of remedy tips if you go and get the 36 remedy kit. So this is another thing that comes from Mary. She's put this together. If you click on this buy homeopathy kits, it'll take you to this site. And so this is what I recommend, this trio pack. It's the Complete Homeopathy Handbook by Miranda Castro, which is another homeopath. And this 36 remedy kit, these remedies never expire. So, you might think, oh, $100, that's a ton of money. This will last you a lifetime. So, and the book, would be like $20. So it's fantastic. And then it comes with some creams. So I would definitely start there to get a grounding in classical homeopathy. Once I've got that grounding in classical, which is really great for acute situations, I would then head over to Joette Calabrese, who does something called practical homeopathy. So you can opt to stay with classical if you want, but this is just another choice to consider. And she has a ton of resources as well. I usually go to Google and will type in whatever the situation is, Joette, and one of her blogs will pop up, and inevitably it'll have a great answer for me. She has a really good insight on how homeopathy is, how allopathic medicine can be more damaging and how homeopathy can uproot that. So that's a really helpful context because I don't have all the life experience. And as well, she has an amazing podcast, and I just eat it up whenever I hear it. So it's the Joette Calabrese podcast. Start at number 1 and go from there. And she also has study groups. So this is paid, for her stuff as a study group, but it's great to have a group of people that you can call on, that maybe more intimately. I'm hosting a study group right now, and it's a great way to grow your homeopathy community. That's all I could fit in 3 minutes, but there's so many more resources.